this is Maya. Welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you chutney which can be eaten with dosa or idli or even with khichdi or pongal. It tastes too good, and this is very popular chutney in the south part of the India. And let's see how we make this. Ingredients: I have taken half cup or less than half cup. This is fresh coconut, grated, and I have frozen it. Here we don't get coconut so often, so whenever I get it, and sometimes it's not that good. So like it's very rare thing that to get good ones, and I just preserve whatever is available. But we get frozen coconut too, but whereas in India we always get the fresh ones. And here I have taken groundnuts or peanuts. I've roasted them, dry roasted them, and this can be increased or decreased. It did not be the same ratio. You can increase or decrease. I could like to add almonds too. The almonds will give very nice taste. Like the taste is very different when you do with these two and combine with almonds. So this is optional. We don't use it very often in India, but here everything is almost same, and almonds are easy to get than groundnuts and coconut. So I use most of the times almonds. It's very easy, and we know that it's good for health too. And these are green chilies. I've taken 2 green chilies, but if you want more spice level, you can add 1 more or 2 more. It depends on how much spice you want. And here is the oil. I'm going to add all this into the blender. First I've added almonds, then groundnuts, and coconut is already grated, so I'm adding in last. I forgot to add salt, so I'm adding just 1 small tiny spoon salt because the salt already is more in dry fruits. Ingredients for tempering: we need some mustard seeds, few cumin seeds, and 1 red chili chopped, and 1 large spoon lentils, chena, and urad dal. I've blended into smooth paste. I've added water while blending. This tastes good for 2 or 3 days in the fridge, but where temperatures are high, this doesn't stay for longer time, not even 4 to 5 hours outside, but maybe in fridge 6 to 7 hours. But this is okay when it is in cold places. Tempering: I'm heating some oil, and I'm going to add all these seeds, that is mustards, cumin seeds, red chili, and lentil dal into this. And I'm going to wait till mustard seeds and cumin seeds pop up. I'm adding some curry leaves. I'm just stirring with the hands. These are semi-fresh, like they're not very fresh ones, nor it is dried one. I already turned off. Make note that lentils has to be browned like this. So now I'm going to add tempering. So this oil looks more. I'm going to leave it little bit, and we can use this into any sabji or any curry, or even potato curry, especially for dosa. Just I'm mixing it. taste test. You can eat with idli, dosa or pongal. It tastes too good. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you with new recipe.